Have you been telling yourself that your body issues are just because of age? In fact, those symptoms might be linked to a nutrient deficiency. Hello, this is Takuya Health Lab. Today, we're going to explain the hidden SOS signals your body sends that aren't simply due to age. While modern eating habits are very convenient, it has become easier for nutritional balance to break down. Because of processed foods and biased eating habits, we may be lacking essential nutrients without realizing it. When your body is missing certain nutrients, it sends SOS signals in various forms. Correctly understanding these signals is essential for staying healthy. These symptoms are messages from your body. Rather than ignoring them, let's work on improving them. 1. Feeling tired and worn out for a long time. When tiredness doesn't fade, it's often a typical sign of lacking nutrients. Nutrients that are especially easy to become deficient include iron, B vitamins, and protein. When you don't get enough iron, your body struggles to make red blood cells that deliver oxygen throughout the body. As a result, you may feel like you're always short of breath. B vitamins play a vital role in helping the body produce energy. If these vitamins are lacking, the body struggles to turn food into energy. A lack of protein can be serious, as the body doesn't have enough building blocks for muscles and organs, leading to reduced function. If fatigue remains even after proper sleep, or your body feels heavy in the morning, it's a warning sign. Women, in particular, tend to lose iron because of their monthly cycles. As a result, they tend to experience ongoing fatigue more easily. If ignored, it may have a significant impact on daily life and work performance. You may experience lightheadedness or dizziness. Feeling unsteady or dizzy when you stand up suddenly. These are common signs of anemia due to low iron levels. Iron is an essential nutrient for producing hemoglobin in the blood. If iron levels are insufficient, the brain may not get enough oxygen. Because the brain requires the most oxygen in the body, it is the first to feel the effects when oxygen is lacking. Feeling short of breath when climbing stairs, or being told that you look pale. Nails turning pale or whitish may also indicate anemia. A lack of vitamin B12 or folate can cause similar symptoms as well. These nutrients are necessary for the normal production of red blood cells. If dizziness is taken lightly and left untreated, the risk of falling and getting injured increases. Because it raises risks in daily life, early action is important. 3. Skin becoming dry due to a lack of moisture. If your skin feels dry and flaky and becomes dry again soon after applying moisturizer, this could be due to a lack of vitamin A or essential fatty acids. Vitamin A helps keep skin renewal normal and supports healthy skin. If vitamin A is insufficient, the skin's renewal cycle can be disturbed. This leads to a buildup of old dead skin cells, which can cause dryness and roughness. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids play an important role in maintaining healthy skin. They make up cell membranes, and when they are lacking, the skin's barrier function declines. As a result, moisture escapes more easily, and the skin becomes more sensitive to outside irritation. A lack of zinc can also contribute significantly to skin issues. Zinc plays a role in cell division, and when it's lacking, skin repair doesn't work properly. When external skincare doesn't help, it may be time to suspect a lack of nutrients inside the body. 4. Difficulty staying focused. If you can't stay focused during work or study and get distracted easily, it may indicate that the brain is lacking essential nutrients. The brain relies on glucose for energy. B vitamins are necessary to use glucose efficiently. Vitamin B1 plays a key role in turning carbohydrates into energy. If vitamin B1 is insufficient, the brain may not function as well. A lack of iron can reduce oxygen supply to the brain, which may affect thinking and memory. DHA and EPA, which are omega-3 fatty acids, help form brain cells. If these fatty acids are insufficient, brain function can weaken. Because people today eat less fish, these nutrients tend to be lacking. If your head feels foggy or you notice increased forgetfulness, it's a warning sign. A decline in concentration can significantly reduce productivity at work or school and affect daily life. 5. Becoming easily irritated. If you feel irritated by minor things or struggle to control your emotions, these symptoms. This could be due to a deficiency in calcium or magnesium. Calcium supports bone health and also helps regulate nerve excitement. If calcium is insufficient, the nervous system can become overly sensitive and reactive. Magnesium is another essential mineral that supports proper nerve signaling. When magnesium is lacking, emotional balance can be disrupted. B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, play an important role in keeping your mood stable. These vitamins are required to make neurotransmitters, and when they're lacking, mood changes can become more intense. Iron deficiency anemia can limit oxygen delivery to the brain, which may cause irritability and feelings of anxiety. Many people assume mental struggles are due to their personality and fail to notice underlying nutrient deficiencies. Just reviewing your eating habits can lead to surprisingly stable moods. 6. Cuts and wounds take a long time to heal. When minor cuts or scrapes take a long time to heal, this could be caused by deficiencies in protein, vitamin C, or zinc. To heal wounds, the body needs to produce new cells, and protein plays a vital role in that process. Protein makes up the skin and body tissues, so when it's lacking, healing and repair take longer. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, and without enough of it, wounds don't heal well. Collagen plays a key role in keeping the skin strong. Zinc helps stimulate cell division and supports wound healing. If zinc levels are low, immunity weakens, making wounds more prone to infection. Even when there are no illnesses like diabetes, a lack of nutrients alone can still cause wounds to heal slowly. Slow recovery after surgery may also be a sign that nutritional status needs to be reviewed. 7. Getting mouth ulcers often. People who frequently develop painful mouth ulcers in the mouth or on the tongue may be lacking B vitamins. When vitamins B2, B6, or B12 are insufficient, it becomes difficult to maintain healthy mucous membranes. These vitamins play an important role in cell metabolism. If these vitamins are insufficient, the oral lining becomes fragile and more prone to injury. Because healing is delayed once damage occurs, mouth ulcers tend to linger or come back repeatedly. Iron or zinc deficiencies may also contribute to mouth ulcers. This happens because a weakened immune system lowers resistance to bacteria and viruses. Stress and sleep deprivation can also trigger mouth ulcers. If mouth ulcers occur repeatedly, it's important to reassess your nutritional intake. Mouth ulcers often cause pain that makes eating difficult. This may lead to a vicious cycle that further worsens nutritional deficiencies. These may appear to be small issues, but they are meaningful signs your body is sending. 8. Decreased muscle mass and declining stamina. If you notice muscle loss even without exercising, or feel that climbing stairs has become difficult, these are common signs that your body may be lacking protein. Muscles are built from protein, and if you don't get enough protein in your daily diet, it becomes difficult to maintain them. If the body doesn't get enough protein, it starts breaking down muscle to extract amino acids. When this state continues, muscle mass gradually declines and basal metabolism decreases. Vitamin D deficiency is another factor that can lead to reduced muscle strength. Vitamin D helps maintain muscle function. When it's lacking, muscles become weaker and the risk of falling increases. Older adults often eat smaller amounts, which makes protein deficiency more likely. Decreased muscle mass affects more than strength. It can also lead to poor posture and a higher risk of fractures. Maintaining muscle through early prevention is an important secret to staying healthy over time. 9. Coldness in the hands and feet. If your hands and feet are constantly cold and feel especially uncomfortable in winter, in many cases, this is caused by anemia resulting from low iron levels. If iron levels are low, red blood cells are not produced sufficiently, making it harder to carry oxygen and nutrients to the entire body. Because the hands and feet are far from the heart, blood flow reaches them less easily, making them feel colder. Vitamin E plays a role in supporting healthy blood circulation, and when it's lacking, blood flow can become poor. A lack of protein can also interfere with maintaining normal body temperature. Protein plays a role in heat production, and when it's lacking, the body struggles to stay warm. Many people assume feeling cold is simply their natural constitution, but it could be linked to a lack of nutrients. Feeling cold all the time can lower immunity and slow metabolism, which may trigger different physical issues. In addition to warming the body, it's important to address the issue from a nutritional perspective as well. 10. Persistent constipation or diarrhea. If your stomach condition is unstable and you alternate between constipation and diarrhea, in many cases, it's due to insufficient dietary fiber and water intake. Dietary fiber helps stimulate intestinal movement and adds bulk to stool, supporting smooth bowel movements. If fiber intake is low, the intestines become sluggish and constipation becomes more likely. Not drinking enough water makes stools harder and harder to pass. Magnesium helps pull water into the intestines, making stools softer. If magnesium is insufficient, constipation can occur more easily. Conversely, deficiencies in B vitamins or zinc can weaken the intestinal lining. As a result, you may become more prone to diarrhea. Gut health is closely connected to the health of the entire body. An unbalanced diet can disturb the balance of gut bacteria. It can also lower immune function and affect mental well-being. Rather than dismissing stomach problems, it's important to reassess your overall eating habits. The 10 symptoms we discussed today are important warning signals from your body. Facing these signals instead of ignoring them is the key to staying healthy. Nutrient deficiencies can sometimes go unnoticed. Being attentive to your body's changes is essential. Meals are more than simply refueling the body with energy. It is one of the most important habits for building your body and keeping yourself healthy. I hope this video inspires you to take a fresh look at your daily diet. We'll keep providing helpful health information. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like. Thanks so much for watching all the way through.